Hi everyone. Today we are going to create this text and background in Blender, and we are going to give the text this shadow effect using light textures in Blender. It's easier than you think. So if you like this tutorial, stay to the end. Now let's get started. First, select the cube under light, right click, delete. Now add a plane, S to scale it. Go here and add a text. Go here in properties of the text, make it in the center. Hit tab and hit any text or logo you want. For me, it's Blender as always. Hit tab to close. Now go here in font and choose any font you want. For me, I chose this one. Go in geometry and extrude it like this, 0.1 for me. GZ up, S to scale the text, GZ up like this. Now we have our text. Go here in depth. I give it a little depth, just like this. The resolution, give it 0. Now Alt Ctrl 0 to activate the camera. Hit N, view, camera to view. We scale the plane a little. Now, here when you see the plus, up, shader, editor. Hit N to close this window. Go here and add a light spot. GZ up. S to scale. GX to make it here. RY, just like this. Now go back here in shader editor. We go here, we select the plane, new, make it metallic. Go here and add. In converter, we select color ramp. Connect color to base color. Go here and add a texture. We select noise texture. Ctrl T to activate the mapping and texture coordinate. Like this. Connect object to vector. Left click, select all this and give it 20. Go here and add. In vector, we select bump. Connect normal to normal. Like this. Add converter color ramp. Connect color to height. And connect noise texture to this color ramp. We change this color. We make it yellow like this. Okay, now select the text, hit new, make it metallic, and change the color to green. Now we go here in a render properties. We switch to cycles. Activate GPU if you have one. Here I decrease the number to 32 as always, and here I give it 100. Go here in color management and select very high contrast. We go here in viewport shading. As you can see, we can't see anything here. So I select the spot, go here in object data properties, I give it 2000. The blend, make it in 1. The spot size, we decrease the number like this. Now, here we choose use nudes. Ctrl T. And here you can select any image that you have. Now we increase the emission here. Just like this. Now go here in Word. In color, we select sky texture. Decrease the number here to 0.2. In sun elevation, we decrease the number. And sun intensity, we make it in 0. We make it like this. Now go here in object properties. Now our animation will be like this. But first, we center it like this. Now here in timeline, insert a keyframe. I go here in the end in 250. I change this to here. Right click, insert a keyframe. Now if we play, we have this animation with light textures. It's easy to make and it's beautiful as you can see. But first we select the plane. The color, maybe I make it a little bit darker. We want to see just, we'll focus for the light, the shadow with light texture. If you want just the image, go here in the render and render the image. As you can see, it's easy to make and they give more realistic shadows for this text. Now you can save your image in any folder where you want to be in your computer. The same thing if you want the animation, you go here, output properties, you select the resolution, and here you select any folder where you want to be your animation in your computer. And here in PNG, we select FFmpeg video. Here in encoding, we select MPEG 4 and select here high quality. And go here and render your animation. So this tutorial is quick, simple. I hope that you enjoy to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next video.